Very good morning, my dear students of class ninth. And now please open your book, The Merchant of Venice. Act 1, Scene 1 is going on, as you know. So you please read the lines, line number 65. And now start from here. Enter Bassanio, Lorenzo and Graciano. Here, Bassanio, Lorenzo and Graciano come in this scene. Bassanio says, "Good senior, both, when shall we laugh? Say, when you grow exceeding strange, must it be so?" Bassanio says, "Good gentleman, will both of you will tell us when we shall be merry? Tell me when you have become like strangers. Is it necessary to be so?" Salerno says, "We will make our lectures to attend on yours. We shall find some free time to speak to you." Exeunt. Salerno and Salerno depart from there. Lorenzo says, "My lord Bassanio, since you have found Antonio, we too will leave you. But at dinner time, I pray you have in mind where we must meet." Lorenzo says, "My lord Bassanio, since you have met your friend Antonio here, we too will like to leave you. We too will take your leave, but I request you to remember the place where we should meet again at dinner time." Bassanio says, "I will not fail you. I will not fail to be there." Graciano says, "You look not well, Senior Antonio. You have too much respect upon the world. They lose it that do buy it with much care. Believe me, you are marvelously changed." Graciano says, "You do not look well, sir. Sir Antonio, you do not look well. You are too much burdened with worldly affairs. Too much burdened with worldly affairs. People lose everything when they do not enjoy their wealth, and when they are over anxious in obtaining it. They do not enjoy their wealth. So enjoy. Believe me, you have changed so much." Antonio says, "I hold the world but as the world, Graciano, a stage where every man must play a part and mine a sad one. I consider this world, Graciano, only a stage on which every man has to play a part. This is the stage. The world is stage, and every man has come here to play his part. And my part, mine, is a sad one. My part is only to play sad roles." As you know, Antonio is very sad. He is in melancholic mood. So he says, "My part is to be sad one." Graciano की speech now. "Let me play the fool. My mirth and laughter let old wrinkles come, and let my liver rather heat with wine than my heart cool with mortifying groans." Graciano gives a very influential speech here. He says, well, then let me play a jester's role. Let me play a jester's role. Let there be joy and laughter till I have wrinkles as if in my old age. Well, let me play a jester's role. A joker's role. Let there be play. Let there be joy and laughter till I have wrinkles as if in my old age. Let me warm my body with wine rather than cool my spirit with painful groans. It would be better to take wine to cool my spirit than to believe in groaning condition. Why should a man whose blood is warm within sit like the Grandshire Cardinal Bastard? Sleep when he wakes and creep into the jaundice by being peevish. He asked the question to Antonio. He says, why should a man with warm blood in his veins sit like his grandfather's statue made of white marble? Why? Why should he sleep during waking hours and catch jaundice due to his bad temper? And what he says, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.